Good morning, student. Today, in third class, part 3, inverse trigonometric function, we want to start next part of inverse trigonometric function. Let us explain few formulas. Let us explain few formulas of inverse trigonometric function. Number 1, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equals to sine inverse x root over of 1 minus y square plus y root over of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, sine inverse x root over of 1 minus y square plus y root over of 1 minus x square. In case of minus, that is sine inverse x minus sine inverse y, sine inverse x root over 1 minus y square, there is minus. In case of minus, this will be minus. Similarly, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equals to cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus y square. So cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square root over 1 minus y square. In case of minus, cos inverse x minus cos inverse y is cos inverse xy, this should be plus root over 1 minus x square. In case of minus, this should be plus. In case of plus, this should be minus. Now, let's do one sum from here. Sine inverse 1 by root x 1 by root 10 plus sine inverse 3 by root 10. We prove that sine inverse 1 by root 10 plus sine inverse 3 by root 10 equals to pi by 2. That is, this is as x. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equals to this. Taking this formula, this one, that is equal left hand side. Sine inverse x root over, this is x, this should be y. That is 1 by root 10 root over of 1 minus 1 by 10 plus 3 by root 10 root over of 1 minus 9 by 10. X root over of 1 minus x square plus y root over of 1 minus y square equals to sine inverse 1 by root 10 into 10 minus 1, that is 3 by root 10, 10 minus 1, 9 square root 3 by root 10 plus 3 by root 10, it is 10 minus 1, that is 1 by root 10 equals to sine inverse 3 by 10 root 10 10 plus 3 by 10. 3 1 is 3 by 10, 3 by 10. 3 by 10, 3 into 10 minus 9, that is 3 by 10, it is 9, 1 by 10, 1 minus x square is 9 by 10, so 1 by root 10, x 1 minus y square, x wrong, x root over 1, it is 9 by 10, x 1 minus y square plus y 1 minus 1 by 10. So this is 1 by root 10, 3 by 9 by 10, it is 1 by 10. It is 1. 9, it is 3. This is 3 into 3, 9 by 10. Okay. X root over of 1 minus y square plus y root over of 1 minus x square. That is sine inverse 10 by 10 equals to sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1, sine 90 is 1, that is pi by 2. That is right hand side. We got pi by 2. This is the answer. Right hand side. Next one. Prove that cos inverse x. Prove that cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z equals to pi. This is equals to pi. Prove that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz equals to 1. Value of this is pi, you have to put this. Now, this is given. So, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equals, this is coming left hand side, pi minus cos inverse z. Then, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, this formula. You have to take cos inverse xy, this into this, xy plus, in case of plus, this will be minus, minus root over of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square into root over of 1 minus y square equals to pi minus cos inverse z. Cos inverse coming here, that is xy minus root over of 1 minus x square, root over of 1 minus y square, cos pi minus cos inverse z. That is equals to cos inverse z. That is only z. Now, this is coming left hand side, xy minus z equals to root over coming right hand side, 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square. Now squaring both sides. Whole square, whole square. This is the z coming left hand side. So squaring both sides, that is x square y square plus z square minus 2xy z equals to 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square. That is multiply 1 minus y square minus x square plus x square y square. X square y square, so you cancel, all coming left hand side. That is x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xyz equals to 1. Proof. Now, sum number 3. Two tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus sec inverse 5 root 2 by 7 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 8 equals to pi by 4. Prove that this is equals to pi by 4. Now arranging this and this, 2 common, tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 sec cos inverse 7 by 5 root 2. This is in bracket. So tan inverse A plus tan inverse formula, tan inverse A plus B over 1 minus AB plus cos inverse, we can convert this triangular form. Cos is base by hypotenuse. This is 7, which is 5 root 2. Now we have to get perpendicular. That is this equals to 25 to 50 minus 49, that is 1. Perpendicular. Using Pythagoras we can get this. That is in case of cos inverse we can write tan inverse 1 by 7. So 2 tan inverse 40 LCM 13 by 40 into 40 by 40 minus 1, 39 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. You know 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square. 2 tan inverse x formula. 2 tan inverse x formula is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Using this formula, 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equals to tan inverse 2 by 3 into 9 by 8 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. 2 4s are 2 by 3 equals to tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now again tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula. Tan inverse A plus B over 1 minus AB 3 by 4 into 1 by 7 equals to tan inverse 28 LCM 21 plus 4 25 into 28 24 minus 28 minus 3 28 by 25 cancel, that is tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4, that is right hand side. It is a little bit big sum. So 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse y. We arrange these and convert sec inverse x to cos inverse x. Then using triangle formula, you know cos is base by hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras we can get this is 1. So cos inverse is convert to tan inverse x. Tan inverse perpendicular by base. Cos inverse this means tan inverse this. Perpendicular by base is tan. Now 2 tan inverse A plus B 1 minus AB. Then 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 tan inverse 1 by 5. 2 tan inverse x formula, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 1 by 7. That is tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Then from here, explain this. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse A plus B over 1 minus AB. That is tan inverse by 1, that is pi by 4, which is right hand side. Okay. Next one, sum number 4. Sin inverse 3 by 4 minus tan inverse 17/31 equals to pi by 4. Equals to pi by 4. So this sine inverse we have to convert using triangle formula. Sine perpendicular hypotenuse. This is 3/4. Using Pythagoras, 16 minus 9 is 7, root 7. Using Pythagoras, we can get this is root 7. Sine inverse 3/5 is wrong. 3/5. This is 3, this is 5. This should be 4. So sine inverse 3/4 means tan inverse 2 tan inverse 3/4. Sine inverse 3/5. Sine perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine formula. Using Pythagoras, we got this is 4. So sine convert to tan perpendicular by base sine inverse 3/4 minus tan inverse 17/31 LHS. Then 2 tan inverse x means tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square 9/16 minus tan inverse 17/31. That is tan inverse cancel 3/2 into 16 minus 9 7 minus tan inverse 17/31. This and this cancel 8. That is tan inverse 24/7. Tan inverse 24/7 minus tan inverse 17/31. So tan inverse से minus tan inverse की formula, that is tan inverse 24/7 minus 17/31. A minus B over 1 plus AB. Tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus 24/31 into 24/7 into 17/31. That is tan inverse. LCM of this 7 and 31 and LCM 217. 24 into 31. 744. So this is 744 minus 17 into 7, 119 by 1 plus 24 into 17, 1 plus 24 into 17. 408. That is 408 by 217. So simplify this. Tan inverse 744 minus 119, 625 by 217 by 508. 217 by 508, 625. That is tan inverse 1. That is tan inverse 1 is 5/4. Okay.